How not to lose your star seller badge due to delivery delays. If you see that there could be a delivery delay, click on the three dots and update the ship by date information. Here you can select the date you plan to ship the order. Here write a regretful explanation of why you cannot ship on time and send the new shipping information to the buyer. But don't be like me. Think before you update the date. Here I had a shipping delay because of Hurricane Ian. I changed the shipping date according to the information from Shine On. They said that they are closed for a week and gave me a date when they will be back to work. I added 2 days and sent this information to the buyer. As you can see, Shine On did not ship this item on time. Unfortunately, you can't update the ship by date information twice. You can do this only once. Please hit the like, subscribe, and click the bell to not miss new videos from me. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the coming videos.